Okay. Should I change shirts?
No, you don't. Let's go.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here with another Boxycharm for August. So we're gonna see what August is working with. If you want to see what came in the Boxycharm for August, just keep watching. And if you haven't subscribed, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and they will notify you every time I post a new video. Oh, and shout out to my husband because he's recording this video for me today. Thank you, honey bunny.
You're welcome.
Okay, so let's see. The first thing we got here is milk makeup. Oh my god. Okay, this is really creepy. I'm gonna tell y'all, and y'all, if this happens to y'all all the time. Before we went out of town, I was gonna stop by and get an eyebrow, like a gel, like eyebrow gel like this. I was gonna get one at Walgreens because I was like, I really need one. Like, I don't have one. And look what I get. Like, I'm telling you, I talk about stuff, like, and I don't know if it, like, listens to me, like, on my... What are you doing?
Nothing, I'm recording.
I don't know if it, like, listens to me, like, on my phone, and then that's how they choose. It's freaky. It's so freaky. This has happened to me, like, 4 times. You can literally be like, I need a new whatever, and boom, it's in your Boxycharm the next time. Boxycharm, I see what y'all are doing. I see what y'all are doing. I see what y'all are doing. Okay, so this is a fiber brow gel. Not only it should hold your brows down, but it should add some...
Don't.
Oh, okay. What do y'all think? Look at the other one.
Turn. It's the same.
Really?
Let me see. Oh no, you can tell the difference.
Okay. I think that's pretty cool.
Yeah, it is.
The milk makeup and the color diesel. So there's that. And the value on that one is $20. Okay, Summer Glow Plus Go. I don't know how to say this name, so we're just gonna zoom in on that and y'all.
Alright.
How do you say it, babe?
Trestique.
Tres leches. This is tres leches. Okay, so this looks like it is a mini highlight stick, a mini blush stick, a mini shadow crayon, a mini brow pencil. This is so cool. So this is how they look. Ay, ay, ay. So this is the mini brow pencil. This is the mini brow pencil.
Hold on.
Let me test it out. Wait, how does this work? Oh. Oh, look. It looks like it shows you the color on top, so it looks like it's like open, but it's not. It looks like this. See? How cute is that? Okay. This is how the top of the pencil looks.
Oh, there it goes.
Okay, so let's test that out. Texture is kind of like a Anastasia brow pencil, which I like that. I like that. It's not waxy or sticky or weird. That's nice. Ooh, and look, it's like pretty tough. Okay, the next one is mini shadow. It's a mini shadow. It's a mini shadow crayon. I wait. This is the mini blush stick. Oh, it's nice and subtle.
There it goes.
There's no shimmer. It's just... Ooh, that's nice. Nice and smooth too. And this one is the mini highlight stick. You know your girl likes to highlight her whole body, so... Nice, and it feels good. It's not like, none of these products are like sticky. And the value on that little mini set is $42.
Wow, steal. You already got your money back.
How much did we pay?
27, I think.
Yeah. Seriously? Come on. That's crazy.
We're already winning.
Yeah, so we already got a $62 value, and we've only opened 2 products. Okay, the next thing is a bronzer. Smooth filling. It's like real smooth. It's super matte.
Looks good.
Feels good. Feels really nice. Let's see the value on that. It's $24. Okay, the next thing is Dr. Bandit. Ooh.
Alright.
And this is a pore purifying cleanser. This is for oily and combination skin, so that's cool. But let me just see how the texture is real quick. There's no like scrubbers or anything in it. It's nice and soft. The smell is like a tea tree smell. It has tea tree in it. So that one, let's see. The tea tree, no more pores. That's what you need to use.
Oh shit.
We're gonna use it on him too because he has the hugest pores ever. Right?
Mm-hmm.
That one is $36. The next thing we got here is a mask. Mud Masky.
Yep.
Oh, it's a hair mask, scalp treatment, and miracle shampoo 3-in-1 formula. Repairs hair, strengthens hair, hydrates hair, moisturizes scalp, dandruff control. Let me see how it smells. It has no smell. So I'll keep you all updated on that in my next video. I'll let y'all know how that goes because I can't test that out. But I would overall say that this was a good month. Got something for my brows. Got the highlight stick. I got something for my hair. Got something to clean my skin. Got a bronzer. Oh wait, did I tell y'all how much the mud mask is? Okay, the Mud Masky hair mask, scalp treatment, and miracle shampoo is $25.50.
Like a little over $100 deal.
Yeah, so it's $25.50, $24, $20, $42, and $36. What is that, my mathematician?
You said $25.50.
$25.50, $24.
That's almost $50. And then what?
$20.
$20. That's $70.
$42.
That's $110.
$36.
Damn, it's like $146, almost $150.
So almost $150 for $27. So I'm telling you, if you do not have Boxycharm yet, you need to get it. Like, you're always gonna, you
always come out winning on that.
You
shit.
always are gonna win, exactly.
Yeah.
Because even if you don't like, you know, they send you 4 to 5 products. Say you don't like 3 of them. There's one of them is gonna just, even if you like one,
yeah,
you're gonna be set. So. Alright guys, that's it for the video. Okay guys, thank you for watching, and if you haven't subscribed by the end of this video yet, I'm going to give y'all a few seconds so that y'all can subscribe. I'll wait. Okay, I hope you subscribed, and once I get to 100 subscribers, I'm going to give away $100. So don't forget to subscribe. Oh, my husband said we're giving away $200. What? So tell your friends, have them watch my videos, have them subscribe, and we will make it to 100 subscribers and we'll be giving away $200. Thank you guys for watching. Bye. See you in my next video.